Hello, Keller Williams agents. It's Lori Ballen here in Las Vegas, and today I'm going to show you how to get your DBA logos for command so that you can put in the correct logo for your specific market center. So log into KW. You're going to log into the MyKW, so mykw.kw.com. It's going to take you in to your dashboard here. We're going to go over to the marketing tab and click logos and branding. Scroll all the way down and type in your market center number. What does it say? Or market center. I'm not sure what else will work there. Let's try market center 605. See, as you start typing, let me type in Las Vegas. Oh yeah, you can also type in your city and find it here. So I've got 605, so I can preview it here. Make sure that's the right one that we want. And then you can right click from here, save image as JPEG image, desktop,